Hi, I'm Lorna from Wearably Word, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to tie a lace bow. Now, I don't recommend you practicing how to do a lace bow with your foot inside the shoe because you're going to be bending your back and end up hurting yourself. So just go ahead, place the shoe on your lap, make sure the toes are facing away from you and grab the two lace ends and we'll get started. So the first thing you need to do is go ahead and cross the laces just like this. Then scoot that lace underneath its friend and pull it tight until you have a little knot like that. Then get this lace and just pinch it into a little loop like this. Then take this lace, put it behind the little loop, around the little loop, and you'll see where my finger is here, there's a little hole. Now push that lace through there and keep a hold of it, keep pinching it, and then pull that tight and you'll have a bow. Now I know I made that look really easy, but we're going to keep doing it again and again so that you can practice. And this is a tutorial for all ages. It's actually really common for people not to know how to tie their laces, so we're going to keep going together. Go ahead and get the two laces, cross them over to make the little X, scoot this guy under here and pull it to tie a knot. Then again we're going to take this lace and form a little loop, get a hold of this lace, put it behind it, around, and then see that little hole, push it through but not all the way, just enough so that you can pinch it, and then pull it tight and you've got a bow. As you can see there, mine, the end went a little bit through, so it's totally normal. It doesn't always have to be perfect. You can pull the two ends just like this and keep adjusting to make them tighter like that. Let's do it one more time together. Again, undo the knot and go really slowly. You can play this video on half speed or just watch it over and over again till you get it right. I think it's fun to practice tying your laces in front of the TV. Just put your shoe on your lap and go slowly. Cross the laces over, bring this one underneath, again to create our little knot. Pull this guy tight like that. Take this lace, make a loop. Get this lace, put it behind it, just like that. And get a hold of it, push it through the little hole here where my wiggly finger is, until you can pinch it, and then pull those two together to make our bow. Then you can go ahead, tighten or loosen your bow as you like. Don't worry about getting perfect. At this stage, it's just about getting the pattern right. I'll go ahead and show you me doing it full speed now. And as you can see, you can get a lot better at creating tighter bows as you practice. Keep practicing tying your lace bows and you'll be super fast in no time. If you found the info in this video helpful, please hit the like button to help it reach more people and consider subscribing for some more shoelacing content, plus some more advanced stuff that you can move on to next. Thanks!